now's the time. Let's spray some glue. We're gonna put some fiberglass matting onto the mold here, showing Tensorgrip M31. Now we're gonna spray it, show you how it sprays, 12 to 16 inches away from the surface. Very easy, ergonomic to apply. And don't have to wait at all to bond this. You can see there's some tight radiuses here. You can just bond it in there. It's staying stuck. Instantly bond the fiberglass to the mold. So what you're seeing here is Tensorgrip M31, and it's bonding very high strength with a very little amount of glue on the surface, and it's going through the different, an inside corner and an outside corner, and also kind of a overhead bonding situation. So normally that would be where you need maybe a double coat, or maybe that might come loose. With this product, you don't have to worry about that.